Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an artist loft, 16 by 20 inch canvas, and a freshly made up batch of medium black paint, which we will find out the consistency of shortly. No plan at this point. Got to start somewhere. Generally what's coming next is white, but I seem to have a lot of black paint, so I'm not sure how that's going to work out right now. I want it thin enough so it dries quickly, so I can come back and do some other things. I like the shapes I've got. I just don't want to completely eradicate all the negative space in the canvas, which I intend on filling in the matte part. I'm going to wipe off my spatula, hopefully quickly. I've been using Vivid Intense White, and I think I'm going to continue to do so. I don't mind if the colors mix, or we create some new weird shapes. It doesn't have to be completely neat, because you will be painting over parts of it. Several times in the case of the white. Sometimes. You'll see. It's the first time I've thought it would be nice to have a much smaller spatula, and I have a smaller one, but it's just not small enough. But I do have Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and rubber brushes. So it begins. I think I'm going to switch to gold in a second. I'm not sure how long that second's going to last, or which gold I'm going to use yet, because I think I've got a choice. I've got a lot of choices, I just don't bring them into the mix. I do use golden iridescent gold. The black is drying quickly. So since I like my shapes, I just pick the places that I like to begin with. I don't worry about whether I like it or not later. I still have white. So it's time to wipe that off again. Might benefit from a little bit of water. I've got silver, and that might be coming next. Or gold. Yep, I'm not liking it yet, but give it a chance. The white will enable me to add colors if I want to do that. This is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. Maybe I'll add a little more black. And push the gold over the top of it. See if we get some cells popping up. I have a beautiful bronze color. I haven't added to anything yet. It might come in handy. Aztec bronze. This could be a stage 1, and I could come back. I see a place I want silver though. Might be a good time to pull out my scratching tools, my mark making tools. And I've got a strange one that I just cut tabs and folded them back. And the reason it's strange is because it's flimsy, which has its own benefits. Just makes you put different pressure on things. I'm going to try and grab one of my small favorite tools. I've got a bunch of them. I've got Wilton cake decorating tools. And more Wilton cake decorating tools. Is that the one I want? I've got a smaller tooth gauge, but I guess this is what I've got for now. Still craving adding orange, which is what I did to my last piece, so I'll try and avoid that. It could be purple too. I wanted some stripes. But for that, I need this. Not sure that's an improvement. Contemplating adding more black. I might just like the line. I do like scraping paint off and putting it back down again. Alright, what do I want to do with this? Not a lot. I kind of love it the way it is. It's going in all different directions though. Let's have a look and see. Let's try a little dancing fuchsia. An unexpected color combination. Which I'm not minding so much. I think I'll add purple to that, actually. Take the cap out of my hand. I've got indigo, perfect indigo. I'm wondering about teal. I don't think a little teal is going to hurt anybody. It's also indigo teal. I want something darker, and I've got Chrysocolla. Which I think I'm going to steal some of. Not sure about that. I do like the perfect indigo. See if I like them together. I was hoping once I got started I wouldn't feel so intimidated. I like the movement. I think it's time for a little more white. Saffron. of like that. It makes me want yellow, strangely enough. Too much paint left on my... Might be time to throw that in the bucket. It's got dried paint on it. I think I'm going to call it good for now. And if I decide I want to do something else to it, it'll be tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.